Hello friends and welcome to another video of constructors and destructors. So my programming friends, now you have an idea about what are constructors, what are default constructors, what are parameterized constructors and what are copy constructors. So now we'll develop further on these ideas of default constructors, parameterized constructors and copy constructors. So you might be thinking that why am I repeating these words again and again? That is because these words might get into your head and you will be having your programmer memory on. So now discussing about the importance of default constructors. Default constructors are very important because sometimes you might not have any value the user will give you for initializing your various variables that are in your class. So these default constructors will simply be there to help you in that case. That means that if you have a class X, let's say for example, well, you have a constructor which is of the same name of course X, and you need to initialize two variables of which are private members of the class, that is A and B, and you need to initialize them to a value of 1 and 3. Then you can directly write that A is equals to 1 and B is equal to 3. Also, now you might think that no, if the user can give us a value, why not take the value that is given by the user instead of using our own brain? Then in that case, my friends, you can use the parameterized constructor along with the default constructors. But that is something that I'll be taking up in more detail in the constructor overloading case. So now I think that you're clear as to what is the very important of your default constructor. Now going on to another argument that is related to your default constructor is that how to take values during the runtime. That is when your compiler is, that is when your program is running. That is how to take values from the user and then put them into your constructor and initialize your variables. But don't you think that that is a topic related to parameterized constructors? Okay, so first we'll be discussing about parameterized constructors. As you already know, parameterized constructors are the constructors which will take some value from the user and use these parameters for initializing various variables in your class. So there can be two types of calls, as you know that there are two types of calls for your functions, that is call by value and call by reference. There are also two types of, you can only call your parameterized constructors by call by value